Oops. Ooh. A little dizzy. Thing. Shit, I was tired. My legs are green, dude. I don't know what that means. Nice sec. That looks like it needs tied. Second one too. So let's just do a quick calf check. Ta-da! Yee. I'm caught up. I'm good. Keep going. Push it. Push it. You know what I'm saying? Remember, boys, we don't stop. It's beautiful. It's like 2 p.m. and the sun is setting. There's like 4 interstates over there. But we out here, Nova Scotia Valley, unarmed, panic, unarmed, armed, stick, basic. Boing! Level 2 unlocked! Congratulations! Let's take this hard. That's what, yeah. That's what she said. Ooh, you might be seeing an overlook in a second. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Let's go. Very beautiful. Did not know that I was going to come upon this. Nice. So you got the Nova Scotia Interstate Highway through Belt. I can't mine because it's too far away. Very beautiful. Wow. Yeah. Did not expect to see this. I mean, I was running right next to the highway, so what did I expect? Oh well. What are you gonna do? Ooh. Everything that goes up must be down. No one's gonna get me and my stick. I'll fight. Good thing I didn't have to fight that guy. That would have been epic. That would have had the upper hand, so I'm probably a better runner. And I have a stick. And I have the footy. Always got the footy. Well, except when I don't. An iPhone storage full. But I've been more responsible lately when it comes to iPhone storage. Now, when it comes to like personal hygiene or, you know, Jordan Peterson BS, but like, I'm getting my shit together. I'm out here running. I'm filming. You know, we did like 35 miles last week. Not bad. Done 6, almost 7 so far this week. Feel like 14 by the time I'm done with this. Ooh, slippery. Ooh. Yeehaw. I don't get anxious about this anymore. I've fallen. Woo. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, no, but son of a bitch. I've fallen dozens of times when I've been trail running, and I think only once. That's pretty. Let's mind some of this. Yeah, I think only once I actually injured myself and I broke my foot. And I was out for, well, I guess it was a fracture, but it sucked. I had to wear a boot and shit. I was out for about 2 months. Got back in. It was like, I picked right back up. It was awesome. I was very proud. No, not proud. I guess I was proud, but I was also just relieved that I wasn't big hill. Starting from square one again, because I was really anxious about. But, you know, that anxiety proved to be false, like most anxieties do. But they're helpful sometimes, so you gotta hang on to them. You gotta stay anxious, boys. Stay anxious. Anxious. All right, so hopefully I've got enough wood to build a hut. I could let a grass fire and smoke some dope. That's the funniest scene. Trailer Park Boys. They see that show on Stars, Canadian Broadcasting. Oh my god, just keeps going up. So I'm at a road. No idea what road that is.
Hang on. I think I know where I'm gonna come out. Probably to my family at Thanksgiving. Just kidding. Oh, Thanksgiving already passed. So we got Christmas. But wait, no, that couldn't be. This is a oh well. What are you gonna do? Hopefully, I will come up by the Nova Scotia Falls. It's very beautiful. Makes for great videography. That's pretty too. That looks like the Everglades. The Everglades head toward winter. Yeah, I have no clue where I am actually. Let's mine some of this road real quick. So, okay. Seems to be more highway over there. Back there. Oh well. Still a trail. Better than no trail. You know what I'm saying? What do folks think if they see you run through the woods with this fucking... Who cares? Rather that than be unarmed. Shit. Ooh. Unarmed. Find some water. I'm saving the lives of fish. You don't understand. Ooh, pretty. Literally no idea where I am. Feels pretty well kept. Say that much. So am I. Uh-oh. love watching this back. Looks like we got more highway coming up. What the fuck? Where the hell am I? Huh. Well, never know until you go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we get high, cause you never know when you're gonna... I'm gonna drop this for now. Life's a bitch and then you die, that's why we get high. Yeah, so again, no clue where I'm at. Maybe I'll pause the video to check. Alright, I'm back here, running in the highlands of Nova Scotia. I'm gonna go over the Nova Scotia Freeway right now. It's a very beautiful freeway. Yeah, it's very pretty, as you can see. Some cars coming. So there should be a trail over here somewhere. Might be a ways down the hill. Nope, it's right here. Kick ass. Alright, we're just gonna... Nice. Oh my god. Nice. Alright. Again, super beautiful Nova Scotia Highlands. And the lowlands are right over there, but you know, same thing. So I'm switching over to my left hand now. Hold the camera because my right arm is fucked. I was on the brittle trail. God fuck. Where does that go? Hang on, I gotta check the map again. Sorry, folks. Alright, folks, we're back. Sorry about that little tirade I had there. So we're gonna be going this way now. And I'm gonna get fucking McDonald's. Yeah, bitch. Very pretty Nova Scotia interstate right there. I think it's called the Nova Belt. And we got some abandoned shit over there. I guess we could inspect it real quick. Other folks down there? Yippee! Ooh. Folks, comment down below if you know what this shit is for. Nova Scotia. You know what's up. Up here in the 219 or something. That's where it was. Dude, I'm a sucker for pines. For fir pines. For pine. For fucking pine needle covered trails. Beautiful.
What the fuck kind of trail is this that just goes right down to the interstate? Like, seriously? Like, am I to go down there? This is so fucking... I guess I'll go down there. You know, for the walls. Ooh, I wonder what's in that cooler. Again, beautiful Nova Scotia highway, etc., etc. Alright, let's get back up to the trail. My mile pace right now has got to be like so bad. Okay. This doesn't seem like a trail, but who am I to say? All I can say is I hope the fucking ticks died. Ow! Sorry. This does not seem like a trail. Got weather update. So this is not the trail I'm supposed to be on. Apparently I am supposed to be down by the highway. Which seems fucked, but yeah, beginning to... Someone stops me, I'll just stop. I'll be like, dude. So the path shows on Strava. You ever use Strava? Alright. Because this is a farce. Like, what is this? So apparently it is an active construction zone though. So that's cool. So we're just gonna see what happens. That's kind of my life right now. Just kind of gonna see what happens. Just gonna run down by the highway. Kind of see what happens. Just do my thing. Fucking, I haven't ran next to trucks on the highway in like 2 years now, and it's a beautiful thing. Let me tell you that much. Oh shit! Okay, no. It's quite a beautiful thing. I'll tell you that much. This may also be an active construction site. This feels like Colorado. I went to Colorado once. I was gonna go choice my bitch ass friend got cancer. Or he didn't even get cancer, but we had to go home anyway. That's stupid. Whatever. But yeah. Feels like Colorado. You ever been to Colorado? Christmas tree? Still a little bit Colorado. So, interesting choice of trail by the Department of, Wildlife and Forestry up here. Getting down to the lowlands in Nova Scotia now, so it's probably a dual partisan effort, a dual. Again, very beautiful. That's the thing. Hi. That's my shadow. Nothing wrong with being scared of your own shadow, man. Sometimes just sneak up on you. You know? That's where I was. I'm running downhill for like probably a quarter mile by the time I get to the bottom. Oh man, we're gonna get to the falls though, unless I run out of storage or battery. We'll see. Or if I get fucking jacked up here. I've been... Never mind. Yeah.
So again, this does feel like a construction zone. Come make it. This will make it. Alright, this doesn't seem right. Well, that sign says authorized personnel. I'm not. I received authorization, but not from these folks, so I guess I gotta fuck out of here. And back the way I came, up that giant ass hill. So close to where I came up. Shame. Oh well, it's not that far. I probably won't film the trail back because we've already been there, but I love going up here. Fucking. I don't get it. It said it was had half that stronger. That's so stupid. I'm very I'm agitated. Oh well, what are you gonna do? He's gonna run back and think your lucky muscles. That's not your Uncle Brawny. Your Uncle Brawny is in jail for manslaughter. One night he got behind the wheel after he took 4 Percocets. Yeah, 4 Percocets. He was talking to him like they were fucking Starburst. The lemonade flavor, the orange, the orange straw, the alarm burst, lemonade flavor. Anyway, my other uncle is a hoarder, and my other uncle is a sociopath, and he lives in the Carolinas. I lived in the Carolinas for about a month with my uncle and my brother. And let me just tell you, that dude is a cunt. He's a fucking cunt. He's an asshole, and he's a sociopath. I'm quite certain of it, because from what my grandma, she's recently passed, what she mentioned about her husband, uncle's father, my dad's father, who also died young, but that he was just like the worst. And you might be thinking like, if he's a woman, he left her, which he did. He bought motorcycles for his birthday. One day he left, never came back. Or maybe he came back once for like a fuck or something, but she didn't let him because fuck. I'm tired. My legs are going up. Well, they don't hurt, but they're fucking. Wow. Fuck that footage up. Yeah. I got an ant. I got 2 ants. Oh, I got 3 ants. And I got Knuckles. And I got brothers and sisters. And we got this big fucking construction vehicle coming up here. Hello, Sarah. Okay. So, had about a mile to the total. So, counting my stats a little. That's bullshit though, seriously. Nova Scotia. Together. And this bullshit seriously, I did that. I literally did that. Alright. You know what, boys? we're out here to grind. I am literally grinding. I'm fucking hustling. I'm out here. I'm doing my thing. And you're there and you're doing your thing too. And I don't have a problem with that unless it involves heroin, because I am a sexist and I only do hero. Just kidding. But fuck. Slippery. So I'm not good at running and talking. I'm gonna put that out there right now. Oh my god. Alright. We're gonna look at the map for a sec. Beauty. 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 Timber. Nap time? Map, not nap. Oh, we're so close. So close, boys. I don't know. What are you gonna do? That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna run back the way you came. Because animal births start. You know what? Let's do some dope. Let's make this non-monetizable. I love Nova Scotia, boys. It's heavily alright, this is the hill. Oh, I was coming up, it just kept coming up. It just kept coming up, folks. And now we're going down it. So we're getting that footy. Getting the footy. Getting the footy. And it's like crazy. I'll have the footy. Damn. Ow. So I definitely had that sense of I'm not in control for about half a second there before I grab that tree. Definitely gonna look at the footy on that one. Alright. See you in a sec. Well, that wasn't nearly as fast as I thought. Back at the highway. Almost back. Gonna hit the falls. It's gonna be A-okay. A-okay. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright. This is it. We're back. That wasn't that bad at all. Folks, I got this thing I call the way back effect. Let me ask you here. Let me ask you. You ever go someplace that's kind of new, that's like 40, 50 minutes away from you? It really feels like it takes forever to get there. But then you go back, and like on the way back, it feels like it took like 5 minutes. You ever feel that? I was not BA in psychology, as you know. Oh shit. As you know, I have. From the prestigious Nova Scotia University. I call that the way back effect, where in which the way back of a journey, such as the car ride, or a run in this case, because, ooh, snake, because I'm running right now, but, yeah. Call it the way back effect, the end. Very pretty. Getting to the falls, gotta save battery and storage. Okay, bye. Back out here. Road closed. Just what we like to hear. Because that means no cars. But it doesn't mean no riders. Do it now. We'll see. No, it's getting, I know. I've been here before. Okay, bye. Okay, hello. Cool. Love to see it. Love to see. Ooh, it's frozen. Oh, I wish I still had my, I wish I was armed. I'm unarmed. Oh my god. That part doesn't seem very frozen. Okay, bye. Going up this big hill. Big hill. Still going up. We've come up. Yeah, ski resort over there. Nova Scotia ski resort. Somewhere over there. God damn it. Okay. No point in recording this. I made it. Okay. How we go? We're downhill. Thank fuck. That was hard though. Actually, it wasn't that hard, but it was kind of hard. I can lie. Okay. Bye. See you at the falls. River time in a second. So we got a ways to go. Half a mile, almost 10 miles in. Yeah, 10 mile run. Not bad. Check the elevation again though. See what that does. Alright. Hopefully no one will be here. No one will be around because it's like 30 degrees out here in the basically the highlands of Nova Scotia. Got a beautiful boardwalk and down to beautiful falls. Let's go. Ooh, slippery. Fuck safety. I care about videography because I'm a videographer. Very pretty. Let's go. Wow. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yes.